break a leg on your Tim Tales audition tomorrow.
Wouldn't it be more like break your penis or something like that?
Break a dick. Hey dummies, welcome back to another episode of English Lesson Live. I'm your host Brian. Today I'm here with my good buddy Miguel. Miguel, would you introduce yourself?
For sure. My name is Miguel Bonilla. I'm from Venezuela, but I'm living in Colombia since 2 years ago. No, 4 years ago, actually. I'm studying modern languages, Deutsch, English, and Spanish. Well, French, sorry. My mother language is Spanish. So I'm
We
here
know.
with to to learn about the idioms and to talk about it.
We are mainly going to be focusing on idioms today. But as is usual in our English lessons, while you're speaking, if you make some mistakes, I'm going to write them down and just throw them right in your face.
Okay, that won't happen.
What's that?
That would happen.
Well, this is what is
Just
happening
kidding.
right now. So you said, I'm living in Colombia since 2 years ago. Incorrect,
I
my
know,
friend.
40 years ago. 40 years ago.
Absolutely not. That's even wronger. That's even worse.
Okay.
Present perfect. I've been living present perfect continuous. I've been living in Colombia since 2 years ago. Oops. I have been living in Colombia for 2 years. Yeah, I hear Venezuela sucks right now. Everyone's going to Colombia.
Sorry?
Oh well, it doesn't matter.
I was stuck.
Okay.
I was frozen.
But no, so you had some idioms in mind you wanted to talk about. What were some of those idioms?
Okay, the first one was like the first one that I learned was in a restaurant, and it was make up your mind
Okay,
because
make up
I wasn't sure
your
about
mind.
what to have in there, and somebody told me like make up your mind. I was like make up your mind. Of course, I was translating in my mind. It didn't make sense, and I was like make up your mind. What the hell
I
is
see.
that?
So you were doing a literal translation of this, trying to understand what it meant. You were at a restaurant trying to decide what to order. You were indecisive, and someone said, "Make up your fucking mind." Um,
It's
well, what does that mean? Make up one's mind. Make up your mind. Make up my mind.
like decide yourself what you want.
Yeah, it's like means make a decision.
Exactly.
Make up your mind. Uh, I'm having a hard time making up my mind about.
Blah 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 blah.
Well, can you give me something a little more specific than blah, 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 blah?
Okay, I'm having a hard time making up my mind about having a dog.
Okay. Let's say instead of having a dog, let's say getting. About getting a dog.
Okay.
Well, I can help you that. Dogs are dirty and they will shed their fur all over your house. So,
Yeah.
no.
At least I will have company.
Oh, that's sad. And you won't just have to find boys on the internet like me to talk to. Do you
No,
like our outfits, internet?
I don't have an outfit actually.
Yeah, that's true. He does. He does not. He's wearing his birthday suit. He's wearing
It's what?
his birthday suit. This is an idiom.
Okay, got it.
Uh, birth.
I know what it means.
What does it mean?
Ah, like how I was born naked with anything
Yep.
without clothes.
He's naked. He's.
I'm not naked, just without shirt.
Well,
Just
the internet doesn't know that, man. He's naked. He's naked. Um. Yeah. Oh, look at. Oh, he's gonna flex for us too. Go on. Don't be bashful. Show us those guns. Oh, not these guns. Don't look at them. They're embarrassing. But yeah,
also, This?
Yeah.
Wow.
Let me see those guns. This
Oh,
is not necessarily an idiom. This is just called a
an expression.
metonymy. Hmm?
An
It's an
expression.
yeah. Yeah, this is a type of metaphor called uh, metonymy, when two ideas are so closely related that one can replace the other. So instead of
Okay.
this is called a metonymy. So yeah, we've got two idioms and a metonymy here. Make up your mind. Wear your birthday suit. Let us see those guns. I mean, what else? What else has been kicking around in your mind? What
Uh,
else
we
has
learned
been?
another one.
We've got one
It
right
is
here.
what else has been? Okay. I learned another one, which is hit the road.
Hmm. Hit the road, Jack. And
It happened the same. I was
don't you come back?
trying to
Never
read
mind.
mine. I was like, what the fuck is that? Why should I hit the road? It doesn't make sense.
Yeah.
So
This.
yes, that's what it means. Like, hurry up, you motherfucker.
Well, it doesn't exactly mean hurry up. Well, it kind of couldn't. If you tell someone as a command, as in imperative, hit the road, it means like get lost, get out of here. Oh, I spelled it's wrong here. Go away. But if you say
No,
something like let's hit the
listen,
road.
listen. This context that happened to me.
Uh huh.
And, and I was about to go to a place. I don't remember where with someone, and that person, and I forgot something at home, and I was about to take the bus.
Mm-hmm.
So he told me like, "Come on, we're going to be late. Hit the road." So I
Okay.
understood that. Like, hurry up,
You
like
probably
go wherever you need to
they probably
pass.
said like let's hit the road, like something like that.
I don't remember.
Yeah,
It was a long time ago.
yeah. If someone just says hit the road, it's like get out of here, go away. But
Oh well.
if someone says
Okay.
let's hit the road, it's like come on, let's go together. We need to leave.
No, because I was about to go along. So if he said
Oh,
hit the road,
was this
so
after
like
he?
get away from here, like hurry up, get away from here, something like that.
Yeah, this was after he was kicking you out of bed, right?
Exactly.
Oh yeah. Hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more, no more, no more. If I sing it in tune, I'll get a copyright strike. There's a song. All right, so we've got make up your mind, birthday suit, metonymy, guns, hit the road. Let's hit the road. I also used this one. I asked the question, what has been kicking around in your mind? This is well, do you get the context of this? What does this mean?
What else has been kicking around in your mind? Like, what else has been running, or what else have you been thinking about?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. What have you been thinking about in terms of an idea for something? Not just thinking about anything in general, but having an idea about something, about doing something, something like that.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Got it.
Huh?
I
Hit
have
me
the
with
one.
another one. Huh? Oh, yep.
It's raining cats and
Oh,
dogs.
that's a dumb one. Can we do a different one? Everyone knows what that means.
Important.
Huh?
Well, okay, when I learned, I was like, how is it possible to rain cats and dogs?
Huh?
Then I looked for sure.
Do you have autism?
No.
Hmm.
But I was a child
Do they show you
learning.
like flashcards that say this one means sad and this one means happy?
No, but maybe this can be also watched by children, so maybe it can be helpful.
Oh,
Who knows?
if there are any children, turn the video off 7 minutes ago.
Yeah.
Yes. So, hit the road, raining cats and dogs. I'm not gonna write this one down. It means it's raining heavily. Everybody knows that one, but let's get some good ones.
I have another one.
Yeah.
When you say that someone is a peach,
A what?
a peach,
A peach. A peach.
peach.
Okay, this is also more of like a metonymy than an idiom. Like, oh, you're a peach. Peach. Get that pronunciation? Peach.
Peach.
Yeah. So this sound, you're pronouncing this kind of like with a. It's an affricate sound, which means you're gonna have kind of a t attached to this peach.
Gotcha.
Okay, good. Gotcha is a good example of that affricate sound. Okay, you're a peach. It means like
I guess it's like you're sweet.
yeah, it's like you're sweet, like you're kind. Oh, you're a peach.
Yeah.
But it doesn't mean that when it is sent as an emoji. If they send you like the emojis a peach followed by an eggplant, yeah, that means I want you
A drop
to.
of water.
Oh yeah, and the little splash. That means someone wants Miguel to come to their bed, and then afterwards, when they're done, they're gonna say, "Hit the road,
Hit the road
hit the road,
again.
Jack." Again. Uh, what's up
Another one.
next? Yeah, we got time
Okay.
for it. We got time for it, Miguel.
What about you're driving me nut?
Nuts. Yeah,
Nuts,
yeah,
nut,
yeah. You're
or
driving
nut?
me nuts.
Nuts or nuts?
Nuts. Nuts. Driving me nuts. It was also an easy one. Go.
No, because nut it's I don't know. It's like a fruit, but it's hard, strong outside. So I could understand.
You can
I
say you.
would say that be like I don't know, like I don't know how to say it, but I don't know. I don't know what how should I understand that?
Listen, you're driving me nuts. You're making me crazy. You can say that that Miguel is a real nutcase. Like he's crazy. He's very crazy.
Okay. Even so, I think it's really hard that one.
Okay, so but now you got it. Huh? Draw something from that list. I sent him a cheat sheet so that we could get good ones, but all he's given us is cats and dogs and nuts and peaches and eggplants.
You just reveal my secret.
Huh? Come on, let's go.
Okay, I have another one in the list
Uh huh.
because
On the list.
first one I knew it, but this one I don't know. It says hit the books.
Hit the books. This is a great one. Huh? It's time to hit the books. It means what do you think it means?
Hit the books. Like study hard.
Yeah, if hit the road means like let's get going, hit the books means let's get studying. Huh? It means to study. And yeah, I mean not necessarily study hard, but it just means study. But it means be serious about studying, something like that. Study and be serious about it.
Would you say that break a leg it's an idiom?
Yeah, yeah, it's an idiom. Huh?
Because when I translate it into Spanish, it's the same, just the same.
Break a leg. Yeah, this is something people often say in the theater. In fact, it is kind of a tradition for a stage performance at the theater, a play, Hamlet, whatever,
Yeah,
to
like
tell the
rock.
actor break a leg, and it means good luck. It sounds like it wouldn't mean that you're telling someone to break their leg, but it does in fact mean good luck. So yeah, break. I want you to break a leg on your Bellamy Boys audition tomorrow.
Uh, what do you say?
I said I want you to break a leg on your uh, Treasure Island audition tomorrow.
I don't understand what you said.
Huh?
Sorry.
What is your favorite pornographic production company? Oh, break a leg on your Real Men Full Bush audition tomorrow.
There's one that I like called Teen Tales.
Tim Tales. Oh yes. Oh, I know Tim Tales. So break a leg. Now this is important. If we want to add something to tell someone what we want them to have good luck in. We're going to add the preposition on. Break a leg on your Tim Tales audition tomorrow.
Wouldn't it be more like break your penis or something like that?
Break a dick. That's what. So well now,
Dick.
This is an idiom we're inventing right now. But yeah, break a dick.
For the context, it works.
It works for the context. Context is everything. I think we've got just about enough time to do one more idiom today. Make it a good one.
Okay, let me check the list. Blah 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 blah
Blah,
blah
blah, blah.
blah.
Oh my god, we have to wait.
Over the moon.
I was over the moon when Tim Tales returned my phone call. They said you've got the part as
Like
the
my wish came
hooker
true.
that gets kicked out of bed. Over the moon. Yeah, to be over the moon. So to be over the moon. I am over the moon. He was over the moon. You will be over the moon. Yeah, like it's like your wish comes true. It's like, yeah, you're super happy. You're so happy you've kind of jumped over the moon.
That was nice. I didn't know that one.
Well, now you know. Can you give me an example of using over the moon in a sentence in a new context?
Okay. I was over the moon when I realized that I was about to be in this YouTube channel.
Okay, well, don't pronounce it moon. And I was over the moon when I realized I was just about to be on this YouTube channel.
Okay.
Excellent. Excellent. I don't think that we're going to top that. You know, they say, quit while you're ahead. That's an expression, not an idiom, but we're going to quit while we're ahead. Miguel, I really want to thank you for being here with me today. Do you have any parting words?
Any what?
Parting words, things you want to say to close?
Okay. Well, thanks everybody for being here, learning idioms with us. And I guess you subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much
He's
for
doing all the work
watching.
for me. Okay, and let us see your nipples. Just one nipple. Just one nip, real quick. Just one nip.
Like this? Wait, this?
Yeah, there we go. I told you to keep them in frame. Okay. This has been another episode of English Lesson Live. Thank you, Miguel, for being here. Thank you for being here. If you like this video, let me know in the comments. Goodbye and good night.
Bye bye.
And we're out.
Was it